What's up, bitch ass niggas? Yeah, it's your boy DJ, nigga. And y'all on my motherfucking page. If y'all ain't gonna leave a comment or a note, y'all need to get the fuck off. And I don't want no friend requests from no niggas I don't know, nigga, cause you sure as hell gonna get denied in this motherfucker. On the reals, my nigga. For all them hoes out there that keep calling my phone, I ain't picking it up. That must mean I don't want to talk to y'all ass. So stop motherfucking calling me on the reals. I don't want you. That mean I don't want you, T. I don't want you, Nikki. Stop calling my phone. That's right. Shit. T, you need a motherfucking perm in your head. Stop calling me shit. Damn, I got a girl. Shit, she know she is, nigga. Damn. Motherfucking people calling me every time, nigga. I don't want to fucking talk to y'all. Stop calling my motherfucking phone. Shit. I don't want y'all asses, nigga. That mean I don't want you. On the reals. If all them niggas out there got plays for me, nigga, come see me, nigga, cause I'll slap your ass and laugh at you for real, nigga. I'm a hood ass nigga. From VA to TX, nigga. Dub Talk be my hood, nigga. Come to the Dub talking that shit to me, nigga. I guarantee I drop your ass, nigga. You feeling froggy than leak, motherfucker. On the reals, nigga. Come see a nigga and I'll show you what's up, nigga. On the dub, my nigga. That's my hood. That mean yellow flags all day, nigga. You got a problem with that? Come see me, nigga. This DJ, nigga. Not the one that got shot, nigga, but the one that can't stop, motherfucker. On the reals, my nigga. Come see me. On the reals, nigga. For all the ladies out there, nigga. If I got a girl, I told y'all. So if y'all want to be friends, it's okay with me. But if y'all don't, get the fuck off my motherfucking page. Get off my motherfucking tip. That means get off my motherfucking tip. You want me to spell it out for you? I don't feel like fucking spelling out the shit. Get off my tip. Y'all know what that means. Fuck off my tip. Shit. On the reals, nigga. Bye.